The future of industrial automation just arrived. Meet AEON, Hexagon's humanoid robot that's about to revolutionize manufacturing forever. This isn't your typical robot. AEON combines world-class sensors, AI-driven intelligence, and incredible agility to tackle real industrial challenges from automotive to aerospace. With unique battery swapping technology for non-stop operation and partnerships with industry giants like Schaeffler and Pilatus, AEON is already being piloted in production environments. Powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge computing and Microsoft Azure, this humanoid can perform complex tasks like precision inspection, digital twin creation, and machine tending with human-like dexterity. The robot shortage solution is here, and it's more advanced than we ever imagined. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @TheNeuralAI for more cutting-edge AI innovations.